This smoothie is the key to rebuilding the cartilage, ligaments and strengthens the knees. Arriving at a certain age fills us with experiences and beautiful moments, but also brings with it problems of the same age. One of those problems is the pain or discomfort in the joints. This condition is not only typical of people aged between 40 and 50 years, in very isolated cases children and young people also present this type of pictures, regardless of age. This type of joint discomfort is very common, and is due to the deterioration of the ligaments of our joints, being very painful, the ability to move, and limited to certain movements, affecting the quality of life of the sufferer. These wear may be due to different factors. In the case of ladies, it could be due to the use or abuse of shoes with very high heels, and naturally by age. On the other hand, if the patient is in a state of overweight, it is very probable that he feels pains in the joints, that is generated by the pressure that makes our own body towards the supports, damaging the ligaments that unite them. This smoothie is based on fruits, all completely natural. We promise you that the pains of these junctures will deplete. Ingredients: 100 grams of pear, 100 grams of papaya, 25 grams of almonds, a little honey from bees, 125 grams of pineapple, 20 grams of oats, 50 milliliters of lemon juice, 250 milliliters of water. Preparation: 1. We soak the oats in the fire for about 10 minutes. After that time we remove it and let cool. In a blender we add the rest of the ingredients, including the oats we glue. Make sure to liquefy very well, so that we are free of lumps. It is not necessary to strain, but if you get very dense the beat and do not pass, add a little more water and orange juice. 2. We will take this delicious, nutritious liquor every day in the morning and mid-afternoon. For a period of 15 days, this rich liquefying will bring to your joints forces that have been losing for one reason or